Byron with Autowbrake again. Today we're going to talk about next steps. What comes after putting this on the trailer? So obviously first step, 5 wires go onto your trailer, brake, power, ground, and lights. We recommend it goes right into the junction box or anywhere on the hard wiring on the trailer. Then you're going to secure this to the trailer. Frame, cabinet, toolbox, wherever you want to put it. It'll go upside down, sideways, whatever angle. Once that's on, now you're ready to tow. And the first thing we need to do before we tow is to calibrate the unit. We need to let the unit know what its new home is. And you do that very simply by plugging your trailer and your tow vehicle together, having one person get inside the vehicle and depress the brake pedal to activate the brake lights. They're going to hold the brake pedal down and you're going to calibrate the unit. And you do that very simply. We have 2 buttons on the Autowbrake. You're going to hold those buttons down for about 3 seconds, let go, and now the Autowbrake is determining its new home. What is level for me? And it's going to go through a series, 3 different blinks here. So it's blinking twice, 3 times. Once that's done, you're going to hold that down for just a second. Your light's going to go on, and when the light goes off, you are ready to go. Now, what setting do I put the Autowbrake on? We have 3 basic settings. They're all weight-based. We tell people it's real easy to remember. Just single axle, double axle, triple axle trailer. You'll match that up with setting 1, 2, or 3. So, how do we change the settings or determine the setting? I'm going to hold that button for just a second. And it's blinking once, 3 times. That's on setting 1. If I want to move it to setting 2, I'm going to hold that again. Now it's going to blink twice, 3 times. That's setting 2. Want to go up to setting 3. Just repeat the same thing. And remember, while you're doing this, that brake pedal is still depressed. Those brake lights need to be on in order for this setting to change. Okay? Now you're ready to go. So you get in your vehicle. We're on setting 3. And we're driving down the road, and 3 just seems like not quite enough power. Okay, you're driving down, it's not grabbing enough. All the Autowbrake units come with a key fob remote. This is it. There's a little hole on the top to either put it on a key ring. I've had people Velcro it on a visor, on the dash, wherever they like. But this determines the up direction on the key fob. So you're driving down the road, you're not getting enough braking, you want to tailor it a little bit more. Apply the brake pedal just enough to activate the brake lights while you're moving. And you're going to hit this button once, twice, 3 times. It's going to continue to escalate. There's 5 settings, so it'll go 3.1, 0.2, 0.3, all the way up to 5, and you can bring it all the way back down the same way. This is how you tailor the braking to your liking. Now, the thing that's really neat, Autowbrake has Smart Start technology inside it. What that means is that whatever setting you are on, it's going to remain on that setting until you change it. So I leave my trailer parked all winter. When I go plug it in to take off in the spring, it's still on the same setting that I left it on. I don't need to calibrate it. I don't need to set it. I don't need to change anything. It's going to start exactly where I left it. So that's the beauty about that. The second thing this key fob is for is, let's say you're driving down the road and you want to test the brakes, see if the trailer brakes are working, or maybe you're getting some trailer sway. You can hit any buttons on this all at once, and that's going to activate your trailer brakes independent of the vehicle brakes. So those are the 2 functions for the remote. Yes, they are replaceable. Yes, they'll establish their own signal with your own Autowbrake. The neat thing about this is just for tailoring it and having that trailer sway situation. But this thing is going to get left in a different vehicle, or the kids are going to throw it in the back seat, or you're going to drop it like I did. Anything is going to happen, but the Autowbrake will function without that remote. That remote is just to tweak it and just to have that trailer sway setting so you can activate the brakes. So that's it. You've calibrated your unit, you're ready to tow. The next thing, we're going to have Carlton in another video, and you're going to be able to see how to actually see what exact setting you're on, if it's on 2.3, 2.8, wherever you're at. If you have questions, call us. We are always available, customer support. Jump on our website, autowbrake.com. Get on Facebook and find us, text us. You can always get a hold of us. We appreciate you. We appreciate your business, and safe towing.